I needed some granola for my smoothie bowls, and I also told my baby that I would make him some granola bars. So I cut up my ingredients. I cut up some dates. I put everything into a bowl with some oats and some almond butter. I also added some pecans, some cinnamon, some chia seeds, some flax seeds, all the goodness, baby, some cranberries, and just gave it a nice mix and put this in the freezer and let the bars get hard. Like I said, those are no bake, so they literally require no cooking. So I put the remaining mixture in the oven, and this is how it came out. For my bars, I melted chocolate on the top, also on the bottom, baby. I think I cut my hole in my bag too big and it just squirted the chocolate everywhere. But y'all, this granola was so good. It's crunchy, it's chewy, it's crispy, it's got all the flavor, baby. Y'all gotta try it, the buzz.